Stan. You might remember me from the last time we chatted.
Yes.
And I just want to say I'm sorry for what I said to you. Do you forgive me?
Yes.
Really? Thank you. You're a great man.
No.
What? Oh, you're joking.
No.
What?
No.
What? I'm trying to be nice to you. Knock, knock.
Oh no, guys! Oh no! Oh no! He's here! Help me! Help me! Send help! Send help! No!